Going up there, walking in. It's a bit frosty today, -2 when we came in. So yeah, so we'll see how we go. A bit of frost on the ground. Change up the head there. So yeah, get in, move some rocks, get some gold hopefully today. So yeah, so we'll see how we go. Alrighty, we'll be back soon when we get set up. What do we have here? Now we're trying to get to the spot. Beautiful landscape. Beautiful old trees. They're stunning. So much stuff. Yeah, we'll get down to the gold. Go and see if we can find some. Go down to the river, find some good gold. Hopefully. See what happens. Hopefully we get onto it today. Should be good. Alright, back when we get down there. Well, we're just going down there. We've shifted all those big rocks there. And we want to shift those ones. So yeah, we're slowly getting through it. Oh, Jay's just found a good rock. That's a cool rock. Yeah, a bit of rock. Cool. So yeah, just slowly getting through it. Jay's just cleaning out over there, having a look around in the bottom of the box, bottom of the thing, just to trying to get around a big rock at the moment. Yeah, we're shifting some big rocks, so they're all, you know, we're shifting some big stuff. But yeah, we just had a clean out. Got that. So yeah, so we're on it, but yeah, there's not as much in there, but some chunkier bits. But yeah, we're down a wee way now, so we're just got to try and get round these big rocks. Try and shift them, but we'll see. Everything seems to be working alright. That's working great. Motor's working good over there. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna try and move this one now. So, but it's a big rock. So anyway, I think that's bedrock just there. So it's just a ridge coming up, I think. So yeah, alright, we'll be back soon. We just spent about half an hour shifting the big rock. So we've got it tied to the tree, so it goes down, it's around the rock, sitting over there. And Jay's just going down this big hole now, so it's quite deep though. So we're just trying to clean that out. It's all decayed bedrock. So we've done a clean out. Yeah. So we've done a clean out of the box over there. So now we know what's going to be in this hole. So we'll do this and have a look. And this is what we did for the hole just before we cleaned that rock out. So that was about half a tank. So yeah, so that's not too bad. Nice little bit in there.
Tip of a bit of clay. I don't know if it is. See it?
Maybe. Put that in the pan, we'll have a look. It's all decayed bedrock. Stick that in the, we'll stick that in the, look, stick that in the hole. Clean this out, put that in there, see if there's any gold in it, and then yeah, this is our last bit for today, and then we'll be done, and then hopefully there'll be something in it. Alright, back soon. Jade just sucked under where we pulled that rock out. We just cleaned that out, and that's what we got. So yeah, not really worth what we were doing, so we might just put that rock back in there, I think, and then or just leave it, or I don't know, do something, and then yeah, we'll go a wee bit further this way now, see what happens, or up the bank, or I don't know, somehow we'll figure it out. Alrighty, little buddy's back. Oh, there he goes, he's found something. Dug all that out, moved all these big rocks around here, and Jade's just done up there and over there a little bit, and then got the best flake of the day. Look at that little beauty. Yeah, happy days. Well, see what else is in the box. Back in a minute. Jade's just cleaning up. Some toasters. Little spiders making their homes. Cool. That's what we got. So yeah, not too bad.